Padma Shri Shankar Bapu, Apegavkar English School, we roll down a carpet of welcome for all our respected dignitaries, guests, parents, invitees, well-wishers and students for the celebration of 21st Annual Day function for the academic year 2023-24.
दीप ज्योति परब्रह्म दीप ज्योति जनार्दन दीपो हरतु मे पापम दीप ज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते। इसका अर्थ है ज्योति परब्रह्म है, दीपक की ज्योति जगत का पालन करता है। हे दिव्य दीपक, हमारे सभी पापों को, सभी दुर्गुणों को मिटा दो।
भारतीय परंपरा यह मानती है कि ईश्वर हमारे सामने प्रकाश के रूप में है, इसीलिए कोई भी शुभ काम करने से पहले दीपक जलाकर ईश्वर की आराधना करते हैं, ईश्वर को याद करते हैं।
Now I kindly invite our esteemed guests and all the respected dignitaries for traditional ceremony of lighting the lamp.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Let us remember that education has the power to transform lives, to bring about positive change and to create a brighter future for all.
What a wonderful performance! Hello everyone, I am Pranjal Parne. Hi, I am Anshul Nikam from Standard First Autumn. Anshul, do you know that dream won't see with their eyes open? They go about their lives every year. Yes, Pranjal, dreams can be considered practical that one intends to achieve. They can be called goals or just dreams. Such kind of dreams can fuel us and fix a drive to make strides in achieving the same. Children should be fearless and give their best to achieve what they have dreamed regardless of the society or people think. Anshul, do you know? Children learn and grasp easily and quickly if taught in play method. Pranjal, it is very important to make children aware of the importance of education rather than forcing the children to study for scoring good marks. Yes, Anshul, but scoring good marks is not the thing. Rather, students should know how to survive, sustain, and create an existence in the environment. So let's enjoy the dance performance by the Standard First Autumn Division Tare Zameen Par.
देखो इन्हें ये है ओस की बूंदे, पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर। कोई कहे कहता रहे, कितना भी हम